Hi, I'm Mike Gannon from Full Service Aquatics in the Pond Hunter video series. Visit us at fullserviceaquatics.com or loveyourpond.com. We're here at a project that we installed about a year ago, and I want to show you around a little bit. This is a nice small size pond. It's about 8 foot across by 7 feet from front to back, right off of a patio area that's right behind us here. It has a nice 3-tier waterfall, which you can see over me in the back here, and we have submersible lighting throughout the whole pond as well. One underneath each cascade and one light inside the body of the pond itself, so our customers get enjoyment of their pond any hour of the day. Some of the features of the pond besides the lighting is of course our classic skimmer box biofalls filtration system, and the type of boulders we use on this pond is a little different than what we typically use. We use a Canadian blend boulder, which is a great rock. It's got beautiful color, a lot of red, a lot of gold, has really good texture, and I want to show you some close-ups of this as well. The pond is 24 inches deep, has a 10-inch deep planting shelf, and it took us about 3 days to install. We used approximately 4 tons of material between boulders and gravel to get this project done, and from the time the shovels hit the ground, 3 days later, we had this. So let me show you around here. The waterfall is about 6 feet long and has an overall drop to it of about 30 inches. We're moving about 4,000 gallons an hour through here as well. We built a 3-tier waterfall, 3 cascades coming down into the pond. Has a great sound, has a great look to it, and you just get a real nice view from over here in their outdoor living area from their patio. You can even get a view of it from up from the deck. But once the season comes and the furniture is set out, having a little pond right by the side here is just great to sit by and relax. Now, we always use good-looking stone in all of our installations because that's really essential in making a beautiful pond. But look at this rock work. We have some really great pieces here. Great texture, great speckling, real rich, deep hues of red, of gold. Look at these pieces of rock here. Now, this is what you want to see inside your pond. Look at the color and texture on this stone. Well, thanks for joining me on this mini pond tour. I hope you enjoyed this pond. Great pond. And remember to visit us at fullserviceaquatics.com or loveyourpond.com and view the rest of the videos in the Pond Hunter video series on YouTube. Okay, thanks again. We'll see you. Canadian boulders. They actually smell and taste just like beer.